Hey everyone, welcome back to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. Have you ever wondered which is that exact tool that will help me increase my productivity? Or have you ever segmented those tools which has increased your productivity and those tools which have, just put you into drowning stages? Well, in today's video, I'll be talking some of the tools which will help you have that leg up in productivity. And the video is divided into different segments, namely marketing, finance, tech, design, and operations. So, if you're someone who is handling a lot of tasks, you have a team to manage, or you have deadlines to complete all of these, just like a solo entrepreneur, in today's video, you will be able to understand those tools which will help you increase your productivity for your startup too. Or maybe let's assume that you're a student who's trying to manage your deadlines, or even a freelancer who's trying to stay away from the curve or have that leg up. Today's video will help you understand those tools which will help you in your productivity. Also to mention, me and my team have worked on putting all the tools that I'll be mentioning today's video in one common page. We'll be hosting all of these tools in our Chronix page on our website. So I will be dropping the link in the description. Make sure you check out, as this will reduce the time of you coming back to the description, clicking on every single link of the tools that I mentioned. So we'll have all the tools in one common page. So without wasting more time, let's get started. The first one is operations. Now, one of the most difficult tasks is to manage tasks, and having that right tool to have the proper automation and workflow for your deadlines or the tasks that you use to do every single day is something that will refine your operation factor. So the first tool is Zapier. Now, Zapier is a platform where it can help you in automating all of your back-end, front-end, your website, the tools that you use every single day. Let me give you two examples. First one is, let's assume that you're building a email marketing campaign that you run every single day. Now, Zapier helps you in that. How? Every single day you open your mail, go to some of the AI software such as ChatGPT or Gemini or Copilot, and you get a script. Now, every single time you need to go through either software like Mailchimp or all of these. Now, what if this all could be automated? Like, you need not get involved in it, and all of this is properly in a system. Zapier comes there. You can create a proper automation flow where you can tell where you need to go and get those work, script, and every single thing from a software. Combine it and put it into your mail, and once you're done with that, you have a proper marketing campaign for yourself. Or assume that you have a website and you want to extract the data and store it in an Excel sheet or maybe a Google spreadsheet. Now, with Zapier, you can do that in just one click. You can connect them without them being working in the front end, and you in the back end, it just collects you all of the information, just like creating that proper workflow. Now, the second one is Basecamp. Now, Basecamp is a software or this platform where you can talk with your whole team at one place and discuss on the tasks that you have. Let's assume that you have a team of 6 to 8 people, and the team has to complete the deadline of the task that has to be done through the week. Now, you can discuss with your team right there in the platform and complete all of your tasks at one click, just like having a communication system with a proper workflow management. Third one is Integromat. Just like Zapier, this platform also enables you to create automations. Also, with that, you can have your own API key, where you can create an API key for yourself and integrate it in whichever platform that you are interested. The second one is finance. Now, managing your finance is not a cup of tea for everyone, right? Well, if not managed in the proper manner, then it will lead to many problems also. Especially if I talk about myself, managing my finances is definitely not that easy, as you need to know where your expenses went where exactly. Well, the three tools that I mentioned right now will definitely help you track all of your expenses and have an ideology of where did it go. And if you're running a startup, if you want to manage all of your finance, have a record of where those income, your expenses went, the tools that I mentioned will definitely help you. The first one is FreshBooks. Now, this is an online accounting software which will help you have all of your expenses, all of your income that you got, the sales, your invoice generation, all of them in one particular platform. As this will help you identify those places where your expenses can be reduced and have a proper dashboard. The second one is Wave. Now, this is a platform which not just provides you that accounting software on the cloud basis, but also provides you the payment gateway. Assume that you're running a website and you wanted to integrate a payment gateway. Out of all the payment gateways that are online, Wave can also be used in integrating in your website. So you can have the track of all the income that sales that you're getting at one single platform. The third one is one of my favorite, that is QuickBooks Online. Now, this is an accounting software that is in the cloud basis, which will help you track all of your expenses, your day-to-day expenses in one shot. As this will help you not just have a dashboard of where and what, which week or which month you had these many expenses, but also it has other features which you upgrade for your startup. You have like expense tracking, your identification of other expense reduction, also other things like invoice generation and other financial factors that you can look into. So if you are someone who's running a startup, I think this QuickBooks Online can really help you with that. Now, third, let's talk about design. I'm pretty sure everyone right here will be interested to know which are those tools that can help you in terms of design, as this is a key part in anyone's field. Like if you're a student, it would help you in your college assignments like presentations or anything like that. If you're a business owner, then how about creating good content for your business? And if you're a freelancer, how can you reduce your work so that it could give you that leg up? So content is a field that plays a crucial role in every single time, right? Well, the three platforms that I mentioned right now are going to help you not just being affordable, but being that right solution for your basic needs. So the first platform, which I feel is one of the most powerful platforms that I've ever seen, and also to mention, this platform has helped me in my content also. So this platform helps you in the field of video, thumbnail, posters, presentation, in providing you all of these services, content editing services, in the most affordable manner. And the platform name is ProLink. Now, this platform provides you affordable solution, quickest delivery as possible. At the same time, they make sure you get that quality content. And more than that, the experience that I have had is that they have the most user-friendly experience that you can get. You have the option to review your project, and if you have any changes, they will immediately do those changes and give it to you. So if you're a business owner, let's assume that you are working on let's assume that your business is a physical product business and you really don't have time for content and creating content for it and posting it in the social media or doing marketing and stuff. That's where ProLink comes in, where it reduces that work and you can take care of your business and they take care of your content solution. So make sure you check out this platform, ProLink. The second platform is Affinity Designer. Now, Adobe Illustrator is good, but what if all of these designs and everything are in one platform? And this platform really does that work. You get all of the works at one single place. And not just that, it also has all this design in the most affordable manner. So do check out this platform. The third platform that I would like to mention is Sketch. Now, if you're someone who's thinking of creating UI, UX, and you want to have a basic feature, but you want to get the best design out of it, and you really don't have the idea about Figma, that's where this platform comes in. This platform helps you design those UI, UX, and you can really bring up to the Figma level. So make sure you check out this platform, Sketch, and this will help you in changing the game of content. So let's talk about the fourth one, that is tech. Now, I'm pretty sure the people who are watching this video, most of them don't have a technical background, but it doesn't matter. If you know the right tool, it can help you in all the ways. And the tools that I'm going to mention now are definitely going to help you scale up and level up your technical skills. So the first one is UiPath. Now, this platform helps you in the process of robotic process automation or integration, you can call it as. This is also known as RPA. Now, what is this exactly? Let's assume that you have a repetitive task and you want to automate it. By this tool, you can easily do it in all the application you have. It's like, having like a loop. So, do check out this platform. The second one is Bubble. Now, the people who have watched my non-code movement video, they will know about this platform. But don't mind. The people who don't know about this platform, I will definitely tell about. So Bubble is a non-code platform which helps you develop websites, applications just by letting it know what you want. And it has other features like drag and drop features too. So you want to make a website that has all the applications that are integrated in it, you can just drag and drop it. That's almost done. So Bubble helps you in that aspect too. The third one is GitHub Copilot. Now this tool helps you in just giving those snippet of codes which you can just copy paste it whenever you're doing your coding. Now this is something that comes as like a side hand tool where you can just keep on typing and it will try to give you those suggestions which you can integrate in your code. Also, if you want to have a fresh and proper code, you can just go to the search section right there of this tool and you can just search and it will definitely give you all those codes which you require. So do check out this platform. Now the fifth one and the last one for the day, that is marketing. Now this plays a very important role as this plays a key role in selling your product or your service or yourself in terms of the marketplace. Now, the three platforms that I mentioned, I'm sure you must look forward for. The first one is HotSuite. Now, this platform enables you to schedule all of your posts, optimize it, at the same time, analyze your post and understand how you can make it much more better. This also helps you integrate all of your social media accounts in one platform. Something like a social media manager. So, do check out this platform. The second one is Ladder. Similar to HotSuite, this platform also enables you to schedule your post, optimize it, at the same time analyze it and make it much more better. But one thing that stands out about Ladder is it gives you a customized content planner. It enables you to tell it how you want your content to be and it will optimize it the way you would want it to. Something like a personal social media manager with much more skills that enables you to have a repetitive task of having your social media accounts all in one and having it as productive as possible. The third one is Ahrefs. Now this platform is a key for all your digital marketing kit as this helps you in the digital marketing field of SEO optimization, keyword searching, also enabling you to have video competitor analysis, understanding how your competitors are winning the game and implementing it for yourself, as this platform helps your page rank at the top. So if you're someone to look forward for digital marketing, this platform will definitely help you in that. Coming to the end of this video, all I have to say is the tools that I've mentioned in today's video is definitely going to help you in scaling up your productivity, for sure. But what really matters is using it in the right way at the right time. But more importantly is to get started. So I hope the tools that I've mentioned will definitely help you in that way. Also to mention, do follow us on Chronix in the Dialo page where we have something called as Scale Up, where my team and I regularly upload tools like this which helps you in scaling up. So this keeps you updated of all the tools that are coming into the market and using it in the right time so that it will help you in the most in building whatever you want to build. Also to mention, I will be leaving the common link of all the tools that I mentioned in today's video in the description. So make sure you check it out. At the end, I will say is I'll be bringing up more videos like this in the future. For now, all I can say is that's it for this video. See you in the next one.